£4,000.
Sorry guys, because some idiot tricked us to going into a place. There's no fireworks, there was a delay, so I just had to make up for it. So we're just gonna watch the biggest firework in the Mr. Beast video. Please do not copyright me.
15 feet deep holes. We literally needed a forklift. First things first, you have to turn the control panel on.
Oh.
And then turn the key.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, let's all press it together. Give it a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, skip over 1.
Jesus!
Yo, you can hear that.
I felt it in my chest. Oh, right there. That is so bright.
It's literally raining fire for like a mile.
It's scary. It may not look like that, but that's literally like a mile.
Oh.
What were your thoughts, Jim?
On the second boom, I heard like this whoosh all around us. Literally.
I felt it in my chest.
No,
and we're
actually, we're
2,000
just gonna
feet
watch
away.
like
If anyone else is
explosions,
shaking a little bit from that.
like literally every single type of explosion.
Extraordinary images tonight of deadly explosions felt by millions in Lebanon.
Oh no!
Blasts that shook a city and injured thousands. This was the first, coming just after 6 in the evening at Beirut's main port.
That's not
sending
in
up
Australia.
A plume of thick smoke. Beneath it, fires raging and flashes of light, filmed by nearby residents. None of them could have guessed what would happen next. A second massive explosion that some described as like an earthquake. A mushroom cloud of debris and seawater blasted into the air. The detonation was heard 200 miles away in at least 2 other countries.
I saw something flash, and I couldn't hear anymore. It was raining glass all over the city of Beirut.
On the ground, dozens lay dead. Lebanon's health minister says almost 3,000 people have been injured. The port area destroyed. But what caused it? Officials tonight say a warehouse has for years been filled with dangerous explosive chemicals. Warnings about the dangers, they say, ignored. Beirut, so often a battleground in war, resembling a war zone tonight. This is a national disaster for Lebanon. Tomorrow a day of national mourning and of many questions.
Jesus Christ. We're just gonna watch every single explosion there is. No, I'll tell her it isn't. Wait, it's gonna.
Beirut, Lebanon, August 4th, 2020. It's a
Alright, whatever.
The Lebanese
I wanna hear.
have lived through the war in Lebanon.
Oh god.
I have lived through the war, but it fell on us.
Cyprus and is registered as an earthquake in the United States. The city
Oh god. God.
This is the port of Beirut, the busiest port in the Eastern Mediterranean and a gateway to the Middle East. In the year before the explosion, it handled 1.2 million standard containers per year. In 20,
So per team braving the storm.
huge shipment of ammonium nitrate that came to Lebanon.
I mean, that's kind of what. That's the Pringles. Is that Pringles? I would not want to launch that up in space. I don't trust. What? Dude? What are you doing? Dude? What's he doing? Oh god, run. I guess you might as well run. Wait, is that a firework? Or is he just gonna set fire? Oh! Oh! Look at the smoke! That's an actual cloud, guys. Did he actually just make a cloud? Dude, why would you do that? Are you seriously gonna keep on doing this? Is that what you're pulling on? Is that guy? Oh, no. You might as well run. Oh! Oh! Up.
Hey, Facebook.
Up.
Take a video.
Alright, this guy, let's see, what about this one? What's he gonna do? Oh god, I guess you better run really quick. Oh! That might have killed someone, I guess. What killed someone? That's literally just funny. Oh. What? Okay, what's that? What is that? Oh! What? Why? Whoa. Well, that's so creepy. Even they're doing it in the darknet. 5? No way you're actually gonna do 5. Oh god, don't do it, man. I suggest you might don't want to do this, man. Oh! You just released like a bigger cut. I don't like the fact that there's a skull bomb on it. That is a big bomb. Don't tell me you're gonna light it. Of course. Why in a bush? Why? What? Is it that big? Bro, it's going back. He's backing up super far. Oh! Oh god. That is a big cloud of smoke. And the fact that it was not even that. Why? You just blew up an innocent bush! What's that? I haven't seen that. Oh! Oh! Golly! I thought that was the apocalypse. That thing was so powerful that it literally brought it up the sky. We don't need a sun thanks to this. What is that? That's a big sandbag. What are you doing, my guy? My guy, he's gonna. Okay, now I'm worried. He's just backing up a lot now. He's backing up a lot. When I know he backs up a lot, I know it's big. Oh! Oh! Golly! Well, congratulations, man! You made a new cloud. You want to call it the King's Castle? That's even a bigger sandbag. Alright. Time to blow it up, man. Let's see what it is. I suggest he runs. Oh, look at it from... Oh! Oh! Did that... Oh, it shot up a bomb in the sky. Another cloud, my dude. You just invented another cloud. You call it... Is it actually raining because of that? The sky just turned to another color. Oh my god, the snake. Alright guys, ultimate. It says ultimate. I'm worried. It said ultimate. I mean, it's not that big, but... Oh god, I do not like the sound of that. He's not backing up that much? Oh god. Oh god. I'm pretty sure we just saw that. Wait, what was that? Is that a How many bombs do you need, my guy? I don't think... Is that a rocket? You're gonna blow up the tree! There's still 2 left. No, there isn't. Ah! Oh god. OMGs! Oh my god, what is wrong with you? Up. What? Just blew up everything. Just blew up everything, my guy. Look at, what is that gurgle? Why you put it in there, the camera? Oh!
You can play FNF Music Game online.
No, you
Players all
can't.
over the world.
No, you can't. I know it. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh my god, the apocalypse is here! Oh! Yo! The apocalypse is here! In America. This is why you should be more peaceful to animals and also don't smoke. They just created another sun! Oh my god! Rest in peace to everyone who's... I'm pretty sure that's getting closer to... Get out of the building! Run for your life! Get into your car! Go as far as possible! What are you still doing there? You can't be seriously looking at this! It is literally getting closer to you! By the second! Oh my god!
May find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
What? Alright, oh! It broke the window! Did he die? It just broke his window. Alright. That's a big cloud. Whoa! This is gonna take way too long! Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry, 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 get up! Get into your freaking car, idiot! Oh, Savannah, what the, whoa! Did it actually shake the camera? Oh, dear God. I suggest you run. Cause that I see little like igniting parts. Jesus, it's growing. That's like a new. Whoa! Oh, Jesus. What? Oh dear. Well, rest in peace to everyone who died. It's surprisingly just all white smoke igniting. Did it break the glass? Dude, I think it broke the glass. There's an explosion here? Alright guys, it's the final one. Guys, it's the final one. Let's do this. happy